Alright guys, so I know you can't see me right now, but I just wanted to do a little demonstration here. That excuse me. If you're a music lover and but you don't know how to use a radio, but you want to listen to the ham radio, or you're a ham radio operator, but you don't know how to play music, I found out something just like literally a couple seconds ago. So, this is a trumpet, my Mendini $99 rip-off trumpet that still works and, it does its job. But, I wanted to show you guys something, and it's all about your tongue. So if you'll listen, this is my old call sign, by the way, but, I'll see how fast I can get my tonguing up to, so hang on. Hold on a second. Come on. Stupid flipping phone. Alright, hang on. This thing's being, extremely stupid. There we go. So C is... and then Q is... So put it together and you have... So I'm gonna do it slow at first. Now I'm gonna try it fast. Hang on. Let's try it with a different tone. Push one of the vowel sounds. Trying to think of other letters. Forgotten a couple other letters. If I looked up the Morse code, I could do it. But I can't remember it, so. Oh, I'm tired. I can't think of anything else. But I just wanted to show you guys, I was like, maybe I can think of something. But if you do it slow, Hang on, I'll spell you a word. Da 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 hang on. Da 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 dit. So that's what the word is. Da 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 dit. And those aren't the words, it's how you say the code for the word. I'm trying to think of something else here. Hang on. Thinking. Yeah. Whoops, I spelled it wrong. Hang on, let me do it again. I have to remember R. I'm not good at R. So let me try one more time. Fuck. Messed it up. Dang it. So yeah, that's how you send. If you can even see me, probably can't, but that's how you send Morse code on a trumpet. So you can do Morse code on, I guess, any instrument. I've never tried it. Well, I have tried it with the harpsichord. The harpsichord works out okay on the keyboard, so that works out. But yeah, pretty cool. So I hope you guys liked it. KM4AOO.